Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I got Fair Maiden Moonspice and Mundo de Unas ZZ Moon stamping plate. I've got Fair Maiden Moonspice. I've already got my base coat on. I'm pretty sure it's Nailtiques formula too. Forgot to add that here. But this is like a really hard polish to describe. It's kind of like a jelly full of some iridescent flakies. And it's beautiful. I know it's not a spring polish, but you guys know I dance to my own drum, wear what I want to wear, when I want to wear it. We're just going to cap that free edge so we can get on with it. Here we go with the second coat of Moonspice. And we're going to get this on here, get it top coated so we can do some playing. But I really do love this. I love the look of it. Look at that bling bling. We're going to top this with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it dry down. Do that stamping we talked about. And get to enjoy another beautiful manicure. Loving it. Look how, every time you turn your hand, it just looks different. I love it. There's a swatch photo of it on its own. And here we go with Mundo de Unas. And this is the ZZ Moon plate. It's got a ton of moon images. Moon Baby had to have this one. Had to. Loving it. I'm going to clean it with some acetone real quick and wipe it down with a lint-free wipe and my finger, because these plates are etched so well. Get little fuzzies everywhere. I'll be using Maniology. And this is So Metal to stamp with. Got my little red AliExpress stamper out. We used to call this one Little Red. And I'm going to use that today. And I got my H. La Corsadora scraper out. I'm just going to pick different images off of this plate. It's a new plate. And I want to, play with it. Trying different images, not just one. So here we go. Got that image. We're going to plop that on the nail. So pretty. That's a little fairy sitting on the moon. I'm clean off around it because I don't know which one I'm going to do next. Oh, goodness. Them plates are etched so good. Alright, going to try with a piece of tape. We're going to try anything to get these fuzzies off the plate. Here we go with our next image. And this is a moon with like little stars falling out of the bottom of it. So cute. Digging the images. Now I do use a piece of tape here to get any excess up that I don't want to transfer to my nail. Trying to figure out which nail I'm going to put it on. There we go. And I should have stopped there. But you guys know I don't. I'm going to stamp all these nails. Stamp every one of them. And this one is like a full nail image with the stars in the back and then the moon in the center. And I really thought that was cute. There we go. Get that on there. Line it up. Put it on. Did pretty good with that one. I do use a lint roller to get excess off the stamper. Definitely don't want to clean it with acetone, because it will make it all foggy and you can't see through it anymore. And then this one's going to go on my pinky nail. Get that turned around. There we go. Got to do some tapping and smishing. Ooh, wait. Alright, one more. We got to get one for the thumb. That's working out pretty good. Little moon with a star hanging from the top of it. That moon's got a face. He's got the little nose sticking out. Really like that one. Love all of them, you guys know. Alright, so we're going to hop in and do a little cleanup with a piece of tape. Get some of this excess up off of my skin. There's not a whole lot of it to deal with today. And it's coming up very well. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Flip that brush around. There we go. And once that's totally dry, I'll be using Seche Vite to top these off and to finish this manicure. So there we go. Gonna get a nice glossy top coat over that nail. Gonna cap that free edge. And then this one will be done. Yay. Oh, well, not quite. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Gotta do the cleanup. And upcoming is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.